Hello and welcome to this channel. Today we're going to talk about the nearly 50,000 workers that have walked out of America's biggest automaker, GM.
In a dozen great cities, the bugle call of industry has summoned the clan. Legions of craftsmen have joined to supply transportation for a nation of individuals. Along the main current of the assembly lines, light falls across men spreading to their stations. The stillness of
50,000 workers walk out of their job because they want higher pay. Now, the problem behind this is that they're demanding for higher pay. Now, everybody in the perfect world will want higher pay. But one has to understand that this is a business, and business cannot make money unless they have employees at a certain wage. If it gave everybody a $5, $10 raise, then the business would not be in profit. Therefore, the business would not be able to continue in business. So the only way they make profit is off of the hourly wage, the work of the employees that are paid by the hour. That is how they make the business. This is sort of a it's not sort of, but it is basically a pyramid scheme, and this is what is called corporate America, where you have a pyramid scheme where the employees are at the bottom of the pyramid scheme, and the CEO is at the top that makes so much more of the money. I've heard that CEOs of companies like Jeff Bezos of Amazon makes millions a minute and probably millions a second. They don't have to do any work anymore. They just rake in the millions of dollars, okay? And they're good. They're set for life. Money is not an issue for them. With the same type of structure you can set up in your life by using the income that you have from your job. A lot of people that are working the job at GM, these are not totally bad jobs. Okay, we're not talking about a job at McDonald's. We're not talking about a car wash job or a job where you're just getting tips. Okay, GM, a lot of people that work in a GM, I'm assuming that you're making a decent amount of money. Okay, so the money that a person has made, even with just 500 to 1,000 saved up, or your tax return, that invested into, let's say, cryptocurrency 5 to 10 years ago. Say you heard about Bitcoin. There's a thing called Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Say you put, at least bought 2 Bitcoins, or at least one, and Bitcoin got up to 20K the previous year. In 2018, you would have ranked in $20,000 by just buying a currency. Okay, now say if you had bought at least 5 or 10 of them. Okay, and do a calculation. 5 of Bitcoin at 20K would be 100K. Okay, you will be well off. Now there's a lot of people that made millions in Bitcoin by investing early. Okay, I got in on cryptocurrency, not on Bitcoin when it was really early, but I got in cryptocurrency and altcoins called ADA, invested in it, and profited 10,000 bucks in it. Although, okay, Bitcoin crashed. Okay, and Bitcoin crashed, and we are now in another beginning stages of a bull season of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So now is another good time to invest your money into cryptocurrency in Bitcoin, and you can see a rise in your money. Now, let's say you put your, and before I go any further, I'm not investment advisor. This is just education. It doesn't mean you're going to make money, but this is my opinion. Though I have past experience, and a lot of people have past experience where they put their money in a stock or a currency, were invested, and they saw a gain. Now you have a greater chance of seeing a gain on your money by putting it into like a stock or a cryptocurrency, a currency, or investing it like Forex. I do Forex as well, and seeing a return on your investment as opposed to putting your money in a bank. You put your money in a bank, let's say you put $500 in a bank in your savings, it really doesn't go up that much in a year. Though if you put your money in cryptocurrency, you can see it rise up in percentage. You can sell it, and then you can buy it at the low, at another low, and then and then sell it at another high, and you constantly flip that and make more money. You see, so that's one way that you can make money as a GM employee. That you don't have to stay limited by one source of income. In order to live comfortably, one has to have multiple streams of income. So what everybody, and even just Jeff Bezos, any CEO of any company, you start off with your hourly wage job. Okay, you use whatever income you have, you invest that into a business, you invest that into some kind of income producing asset, some type of income producing machine. It can get you money to invest it in something greater to make even more money. Okay, and that you can get out of the 9 to 5 rat race and not have to be sitting in a car for an hour in order to get to work, and then work 8 hours, and then sit in a car for another 30 minutes to an hour in order to get back late at night and not be able to do anything, be tired, and then basically start it over again and pray and hope for the weekend to enjoy, and then maybe go on 1 to 2 vacations a year, if at any at all. Okay, so uh, the problem with the 550,000 workers is that the fact that they're going on strike is not just because they're not making enough money. Okay, it's that they don't like their job. They don't like their job, or else they wouldn't be going on a strike. And a lot of people that work a job don't like their job, even if they're making 70K to 100K salary. They still don't like the job because they're tied down to that job. They're tied down to that job. It's mostly not even their passion. It's not something that makes them wake up in the morning and just feel alive. So a lot of people are doing things that they don't want to do, and it's even worse if you're not even getting paid enough for it, and you have to support a spouse or your kids, and you may have debt. A lot of people come out of school and have student loan debt, 50 to 100K student loan debt. So that's another rent. That's another car bill. It's almost impossible to make it in this current economy. The way the wages are and the way the opportunities are at a 9 to 5 job. But you can if you put your money into smart assets and start and build a business, and to work for yourself, to pay yourself first, to become an entrepreneur. This is the route that one has to go by into in order to get out of the 9 to 5 rat race of slavery. It's the way it is. Okay. So there's many other ways that one can make money online. If you want to become financially free and get out of the rat race, and if you had a job that you hate, you want to click the link below, put in your email, and watch the video, and see what we got to offer, and see and start envisioning a new life where you are on a beach, where you are able to wake up wherever you want in the world and be able to create income from a laptop, doing the things you love.